Perhaps the most important concept in most Android applications is the activity. The activity is something that can be confusing to many developers that are new to Android, but it really isn't that complicated at all. An activity is just a single screen in an app. You can think of an activity just like the name sounds, a single thing a user can do in an application. For the most part, activities should be self-contained pieces of functionality, like looking at the inbox of a mail application or reading a single email message. Activities should generally try not to do many different things, or they start to become confusing. Another good way to think about activities is that they are like web pages and web applications. Aside from newer web technologies that try to incorporate everything into a single page, most web applications will have different screens for different functionality. For example, most websites will have a login page where you can log in. Your bank's website probably has an account summary page where you can see the summary of your bank account transactions, and perhaps another page to drill down into a particular transaction. And remember how I said that Android applications are loosely coupled together? Well, Android activities are connected by intents, which we'll talk about a little bit more in a bit. But the basic idea here is that one activity in your app might not explicitly call another activity, but instead express what it wants to do to the operating system, which will find the appropriate activity to do the action the user wants to do. Don't worry about understanding all of this right now, just know that your activities don't have to link directly to each other.